There is a big corrosion on this board, the IC over here, which I've just out. Okay, that's the IC there. That's to make the track. Okay, let's just clean the board quickly. You know, when you have a liquid damage on a motherboard, it results to so many things. Okay, just clean this part. Let's see that. You have a liquid damage, it results to so many problems. A liquid damage problem. Da-da. Da-da-da. Okay, let's hope the track is clean now. Okay, let's check on the IC itself if it still has a track. The tracks are still there, but let's just try to clean it a little bit. Let's try to clean it a little bit. Corrosion on the motherboard. It's not a good experience to a motherboard. It's not a good experience at all. It's not a good experience. Okay, let's try to put the chip back to the board. Remember the position. Remember the position. Okay. The air, reduce the air. It's like the air is too much. See the IC is dancing. This one has stayed in its place. Okay, let's hope the chip is in properly. Just need to clean it a little bit so that I can get access. Okay, and let's take it back again to align it. And if you can see that, let's hope we've got it aligned now. See, the track is fixed. See, this track was not there before. See this tiny track here? They were not there before. As you can see now, they are there now. It's fixed. Let's wait for the board to cool down a little bit so that we can put it together and see if we have a display now. It was about 3 IC that has corrosion and it loses their tracks. The corrosion was so bad. It was so bad. It was so bad. This was as a result of cleaning the laptop with some cleaning detergent, and it resolved to this problem. Okay, but the fans, they are not looking clean at all. You see, it's so dirty. But I'll clean them up quickly. and it's a gaming laptop. It is a gaming laptop. It is a gaming laptop. And it was unable to read the CMOS battery, in the sense that there was a corrosion on the capacitor there, so it won't be able to detect the CMOS battery as well. I've already sorted that out. Okay, let's connect the screen connector. Okay, connect keyboard connected, and keyboard connected, and touchpad, keyboard light, keyboard light connected. Okay, let's leave the connect the Wi-Fi. Let's leave the Wi-Fi for now. And connect this. Okay, let's see what is the outcome of what we have been doing. Okay, charger connected, charger connected, not taking any power. Then I think there's something which I didn't connect. Charger connected, powered on, it goes off. Watch now, it's reading the system. See, it must have a display now. Check on the power supply. It's taking 1 point. That's quite high. Let's wait again. That's quite high. Let's read it. Okay. Okay. Charger connected again. Powered on. Okay. It went off. Okay. Keyboard light is on. Looking for display now. Okay. It's trying to read the BIOS. Remember I told you the CMOS battery was not working. So we should have a display now. It's restarting. There you go. Got a display. Okay. It's still restarting. It's restarting. It's trying to read the memory. And mind you, there is no CMOS battery yet on this laptop. There you go. We've got a display. So what was the problem? There were three IC that was having corrosion on it. So I had to take those IC out, fix the track because the corrosion damaged the tracks. That was why it was unable to display. It was switching on, but was no display. Okay. See, now we've got picture and all that. Powered off, powered off, powered on again. There you go. Got picture. Okay. I think I will stop this video now. It was just a quick one. I didn't intend to make a video, but I found it necessary now to make a video on it, because when I started initially, there was no need for me to make a video. But when I go deeper, I find those corrosion on the board, which is that IC which I was replacing. That one has the big corrosion. I had to fix that. Okay. So thank you for watching. Find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. By the way, it's a gaming laptop. It's a nice laptop and it's a gaming laptop. It's a nice laptop and a gaming laptop. Okay. Okay. See you on the next video. Bye bye.